This is Chad Warner of Optimwise.com, and I'd like to show you the website I created for Centershot Gun Range, a new indoor shooting range in West Michigan. They wanted to redesign their website because their Flash-based site didn't work on many mobile devices, and they wanted to add e-commerce functionality. I redesigned the site using HTML5 and used a mobile-friendly, responsive design, so the site works well on mobile devices as well as desktops. So here we're looking at desktop size, and we can switch over. Let's look at tablet size. And you'll see it reflows to fit. And then let's drop down to a very narrow smartphone size. Again, scales to fit. And I also customized the theme to fit Centershot's branding. I created a lane registration system that allows people to reserve and pay for lanes. So here we can select a duration and a lane, show the available times, shows what's not available and what is. You can select a time. You can then enter your information, confirm the appointment, and pay. I also created a shop where Centershot can sell t-shirts and other merchandise. So here we have a t-shirt. You can see a description. If there was additional info, I could see it here. A few images. Select a size, a quantity, add it to my cart. And it's been added. I can then view the cart. Here I could again make any adjustments, select my shipping option, and check out. To learn more about this website or others, visit Optimwise.com.